Hi, I am Baidawa Sise from Leon Connect. In this video, I'll walk you through the process I use to separate the stereo audio track into its various components. The components include the vocal track, the bass track, the drums, the pianos, and other instruments. The vocal will be used in iClone for lip syncing. Let me now walk you through the steps I used in Cubase Pro 11. We will create an empty project to start. In order to import our track, we need to match our tempo. We already know the tempo of the song that we want to bring into Cubase. It is the 84.990 tempo, roughly about 85. So we'll just use that here. Change this tempo from Cubase to 84.990. The project is now ready, so we can bring in our own two track. The stereo track we will have to import by going to File, Import. We need to import an audio file. This is the track we are going to import to Cubase. Here we have it, a stereo file, but we need to break this one into components, into various tracks. So to do that, we select the file, we'll go on to audio, then we go to extensions, that we choose our spectral layers extension. Cubase 11 comes with spectral layer 1, but if you own spectral layer Pro, you can easily just convert it. Here I have spectral layers here. What we need from here is nothing more than to go to layers. Let me move this a little bit. We go to layers. We have our track selected, so what we need is to unmix the stems. It gives us a choice here. For our own purpose, we'll just have to leave everything like this and we move on. The goal is to have our two tracks separated into vocals, piano, drums, bass, and perhaps other instruments. So we click OK. Now that I have the audio separated here, so Come Stay to Love Me, which is the name of the song right here. Now we have it into vocals, we have a piano, we have drums, we have a bass, and we have other instruments. The next step will be to take each part and drag it to my timeline. Now that we have our files all separated, vocals, piano, drums, bass, it is time for me to export them so I can have the individual tracks so I can process them later. I'll go back to File, Export, Audio Mixdown. And here I'll have to choose multiple tracks, not just one track like a stereo track. I want multiple tracks. I don't need my stereo selector there, so I need to go now to my vocals, my piano, my drums, bass, and others. I like to export these ones. I'll select all the different properties I need for the file. I'll have to give it a name or names. I'll do Come Stay Stems. All right, and then I will go to this folder here where my competition music is. So I'll choose here, and then I'll create a new folder. Come Stay Come. All right, so that's where I would put them. All right, so that's where I will save them. So I'll just go on and click export. They're all exported. I'm here now in my music folder, and I'll come to and you see my stems there. I have them named stems, and then you see vocals there. So I'll play it so you can see.
You want to run away, my life and my dreams too. Now you want to run away.
So this is a section of the song that I'll need.
Now you want to run away.
All right.
Sending me back to start anew.
So let me go to the instruments. All right, so the drums. So yeah, so Cubase, Spectral all did a very fantastic job in separating them. I haven't even processed anything, but now I know that I have to go back and then do it. So these are the separate tracks, and this is the bass here. All right. All right. So that's it for this demonstration, and I will continue the rest of the work, and I'll come back and let you know how far I've gone. I need to do a little more work on the song and then eventually send it out to iClone. All right. Thank you.